In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Steam Wallet to another. While Steam doesn't allow direct transfers of wallet funds between accounts, there's a legitimate workaround that accomplishes the same goal, gifting a Steam Wallet code. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, a quick heads up on how Steam handles money. Once funds are added to a Steam wallet, they're locked to that account and can't be withdrawn or sent as cash. This policy exists to prevent fraud and money laundering. The correct, safe method is to buy a digital Steam Wallet gift card and send it to your friend. One important requirement, you must be Steam friends for at least 3 days before you can send a wallet gift. If you just added each other, give it a little time. When you're ready, sign into the Steam client or go to store.steampowered.com and make sure you're on the right account. Confirm that you and the recipient are friends and that the friendship is older than 3 days. Then head to the Steam store. In the search bar, type Steam Wallet Code or Steam Gift Card and open the official product page. Choose the amount you want to send. Steam typically offers a range from smaller amounts up to larger ones, and it will display prices in your local currency. Select Send to a Friend, and Steam will show your friends list. Pick your recipient, and you can add a short note if you like. Just keep it simple and never include sensitive information. On the checkout screen, select your wallet balance as the payment method. Steam will automatically use your existing balance, and you can complete the purchase in a couple of clicks. Once you've paid, the recipient receives a redeemable code directly through Steam. Delivery is usually instant, and they can redeem it to add the funds to their wallet and spend it on games, DLC, or in-game items. If there's any issue like region restrictions or an undeliverable gift, Steam typically notifies you and may refund the amount back to your wallet. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure both accounts are in compatible regions and currencies, as availability and amounts can vary. If you don't see the gifting option, check that the friendship age requirement is met. Double-check the recipient before confirming, since gifts can't always be redirected. And keep your account secure with Steam Guard because wallet gifts hold real value. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.